Hi, it's Andy from Great Lakes Technical Service here. Today we're using the Cloudray MP-60 Light Marker Pro, which has a 60 watt JPT MOPA source fitted with an f290 200x200mm lens. We're engraving a 100mm slate coaster, pre-treated with a light coat of satin clear acrylic spray. The settings used are shown in the video, with some further information in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful.
Cloudray 60 was our prime, making moments yours and mine. Point and shoot, it's easy said. Engraving stories, holiday spread, stainless glowing, vibrant red, artistry that's widely spread.